What if cleaning your home didn't just get easier? What if it became intelligent? Meet the Dreame Matrix10 Ultra, the robot vacuum and mop that redefines what clean means. Because this isn't just a gadget, it's your home's smartest new companion. At the heart of the Matrix10 Ultra lies 30,000 pascals of pure suction power, engineered to capture everything from fine dust to tangled hair. Its anti-tangle dual brush system keeps the cleaning continuous, while a precision side brush sweeps away debris from corners and edges most vacuums miss. Every movement, every rotation, optimized for flawless performance. For mopping, Dreame takes innovation a step further. 2 rotating mop heads scrub with consistent pressure, mimicking the motion of a human hand, but faster and tireless. When the Matrix10 Ultra detects a rug or carpet, it lifts its mop pads automatically, because clean shouldn't come with compromise. And then comes the showstopper, the Multi-Mop Changing Station. A docking system so advanced, it doesn't just recharge your robot, it revitalizes it. It automatically swaps used mop pads for fresh ones, letting the Matrix10 Ultra clean for longer without human help. Then, it washes the mop heads with 100 degrees Celsius hot water and dries them to perfection. Clean, sterilized, and ready for the next run. With its retractable DTOF navigation system, the Matrix10 Ultra adapts to your home like no other. It slides effortlessly underneath low furniture and identifies over 240 types of objects, from slippers to cables. And with the power to climb obstacles up to 8 centimeters high, it goes where others simply can't. Now available in North America and Europe, the Matrix10 Ultra brings the future of home cleaning to your doorstep. You can find it on Amazon US for $1,999.99 and across Europe, including the Netherlands, Spain, and Germany, for €1,599. A UK release is on the horizon. The Dreame Matrix10 Ultra isn't just another robot vacuum. It's an ecosystem, one that cleans itself, thinks ahead, and never stops improving. Because the future of cleaning has already arrived. Dreame. Imagine more.